For someone that's familiar with After Effects, I didn't think Canva can compare, but I was wrong. Within Canva, you can create fast, easy, animated graphics that will make any video look more professional, and you don't have to learn a complicated program. So let's get started. With Canva, you can either use a template or you can start from scratch. For this, I'm going to show you both. First, we're going to start with a template. So the template will depend on the size that you want to use. I'm going to choose a YouTube thumbnail template, but you really can use any of the templates they have. They have many presentations. You can even turn your presentation into a video. So I'm going to search YouTube thumbnail just to keep it simple, because I already know that a YouTube thumbnail is the exact dimensions that I need for a YouTube video. For YouTube, you generally want your canvas to be 1280 by 720, and the opposite is true for Instagram. In Instagram, you want 720 by 1280. So it's only those two numbers that you have to remember, and you have to remember whether or not it's going to be a horizontal video or if it's going to be a vertical video. So for the horizontal, it's 1280 by 720, and for the vertical, it's 720 by 1280. Now say that 3 times fast. So I'm going to scroll through the thumbnails and then pick a background or pick something that I like. I like this one, I like the stars, it looks great. So I'm gonna adjust what it says on there. I'm gonna go Canva, video demo. Just adjust the font. There we go. Okay, so everything there, that looks cute. Actually, let's move them all up a little bit. You can move everything around. And then once you have your file built the way that you like it, then you go to animate, and animate is just up here. So you press that animate button and then it'll give you a bunch of options. So you have many options of how you want to animate it. You can block, fade, pan, rise, tumble, simple, stomp, baseline, pop, neon, scrapbook. Wow, so many choices. What I suggest is just starting and going through the choices and picking something that you like, that resonates with what's already here, something simple. This is great because it animates it at the beginning, but if I want to have an animation that lasts for longer, then I'm gonna need to add an animated element from the elements here. So to add an animated element, I'm gonna go into stickers. So with stickers, you can type in sticker or stickers. You'll have a bunch of different options depending on what you want to do. So you have social media stickers. Let's see, what kind of social media stickers can we find here? Let's add hello. Okay, there we go. So we have, this one's probably not perfect for this, but I love that it's bright and colorful, so I just wanted to add it. Let's go. These are all like very fun, moving graphics. You can add some stars in there. I might be going overboard with the stars, but whatever tickles your fancy. So you can see, you can start adding more and more elements to your design. So create them and make something that you like. You can change the animation anytime you want, so we can go back and see, okay, well maybe this animation is gonna look better with everything. Or I can pan it. So you just pick something that resonates with you and that you like. So now that we have this first slide created, we're gonna start the next one, and we're gonna start from scratch. So I'm gonna delete this background that we have right there. That's gone, and now we can start from scratch. Another thing that you can do is you can add videos in here. So there's multiple ways of adding videos. You can upload your own videos, and you upload your own videos by going to uploads and video. Keep in mind that you can only upload up to 250 megabytes for your video. If your video is bigger than that, you're gonna wanna compress it. But for this, I'm gonna also show you some awesome stock videos that they have. So if you go into the video tab, there's so many different videos that you can choose from that you can use for free, which is pretty awesome. So let's spice this up by adding some kind of a frame. We're gonna go to elements, I'm gonna get out of their stickers, and we're gonna go to frames. Frame is how you can show your video within Canva. Gonna look at all these frames, and I'm gonna pick let's just pick this one for fun. So there we go, a nice one there. And now I can go into video and I can pick a fun video. Let's keep with the star theme and let's put the star theme video right in there. And then I can also add other elements to it. Another thing you can type in is animated. Go into elements and you can type in animated. And you'll see a bunch of animated videos that you can add right onto there. Or you can type in blob liquid. With blob liquid, it allows you to have a bunch of different already animated cool blobs. So I'm going to add that to it to make it look a little bit more fun. There you go. But if it's on top of your video, then you can always send that back. So let's add a different video. I find this video is a little dark and I don't like the end. There we go. I've got a video in there. I can make it whatever size I want it. I can even change the background color. There we go. Okay, so now I have all my elements in here. I don't like this thing. I don't like that frame. So I have my background elements and I like this. Let's start with a new frame. Now you're gonna go to elements, let's exit out of this, and we're gonna pick a frame. I'm gonna pick this laptop frame. You can add any of the videos from the stock. This is interesting. It's a pre-made wedding video. There you go. And I can also animate the whole page to see how it's gonna come up. So I'm gonna animate there we go, and I have my video playing within that. So I can play around with this until I get something that I like. So I'm just gonna add this fun one of people right into the middle. And then you can also adjust it. So you can move the video within your frame and you can also make it bigger. So you can scale it. Let's see that. Let's play that video. So it's just people dancing, very fun. I like this. You can adjust the colors of your frame as well, depending on what you want to do for that. And so let's animate this. There we go, that looks fun. So now we have 2 slides that are all complete. Once we're done with our slides and we like what it looks like, then we're gonna go to download. And you're gonna download and you're gonna select the MP4 video. So download, you can select the number of pages you want. So if you want multiple pages or if you just want to block off a certain part of the video. And then once you like everything, press download. Now you just have to wait for the magic to make itself happen because it is preparing a video for you. You don't even have to leave Canva. All your designs can stay within Canva. Think of the possibilities. You can create presentations and turn them into videos. Everything is possible because it's all in one app along with all your other files. So this is pretty convenient and pretty great. So I'm still waiting for this to download. Oh, there we go. My video is downloaded. So now I can click on my video. If you find your video too long, then you can always trim it in an editing program. If you're using a desktop to edit, you can use DaVinci Resolve, and on your phone, you have InShot. Do you want to make videos but hate talking to camera? I can help. Sign up for my free Film Yourself Challenge, where I teach you how to get comfortable talking to camera. There you have it. Now you know how to create animated text using Canva. If you like this video, please share it and hit the like button below. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!